Moonport Modelers, the 24th of December 2023. I got a discontinued Hangar9 F4U Corsair 50 size, which has the battery top hatch, and just check the battery level. Everything seems to be okay. All right, she's alive. Proceeding to the runway. This is not my first maiden flight. The maiden flight was kind of spooky. It was kind of windy, and just as soon as I took off, it started rain. So this is my second flight. I adjusted the controls to have some expo on the elevator and ailerons. It was a real touchy. I'm sure it was the wind as well. Gonna do the pre-flight check. Okay. Up, right, left, up, down, right, and left. Okay. Taking off. Yeah, the propeller's okay. It's a master air screw glow prop, 13 by 7, I believe, and it's okay. I mean, you know, for what it is. Gear up. I got one of the struts bent on the landing during earlier succession flight, but it's flying good now. Oh yeah, much more better control. Not too sensitive on the ailerons. Look at that. Oh yeah, she's very good. Yeah, it was kind of spooky earlier this morning, that's for damn sure. I needed to adjust for expo and all that good stuff, and not be a knucklehead and try to fly it, you know, in breezy weather, especially the maiden flight. Well learned, right? Look at that. It needs probably a little bit of up trim, but that's about it. There you go. She flies pretty good with this prop in calmer weather. There you go. She's got good upline. All right, let's see a loop and half Cuban 8. There you go. She's got good control too. If I move the stick, she'll go right at it. Coming right at you. There you go. Not bad for a master air screw prop. There you go. Another half Cuban 8. Don't worry about the sticking down gear. It's not bothering me whatsoever. Flies good on 4 cells. You can't beat that. Yep. All right, well, I think this is good enough for the video. I'm gonna go get gear down. No flaps on this one. All right, here we go. There you go. Touchy. Beautiful. Just kissed the ground. Let's see if she taxis over without nosing over. There you go. Get a little impulse hit on the throttle, and she's right back on the smooth surface. Not bad for salvaging a blistery rainy day. I was able to get it on video. At least the second flight, right? There you go. Look at that. Ain't she gorgeous? Back to home base. Alright guys, there you have it. Discontinue Hangar9 F4U-1D Corsair 50 size with the top hatch on top from factory. Long discontinued, and I got it in my hands. Thank goodness. Alright guys, this is great. And she's light with the 4 cells.